Hey guys, I'm Anna, and today I'm going to show you how to fix Cash App if it isn't letting you file your state taxes. Cash App generally lets you file taxes within the app without any issue. However, if you're not able to use this feature at the moment, it could be due to a temporary technical issue. So first of all, open up Cash App on your device and then tap on this profile icon in the top right corner. From here, you need to scroll down and tap on Support. Over here, you need to tap on something else. Once you're on this screen, scroll down and tap on Cash Card. Again, scroll down to the bottom and tap on Contact Support, and then click on Not About a Transaction right over here. Once you're on this screen, tap on Chat at the bottom to contact Customer Support Official. Now briefly explain the issue to the Cash App representative. You can type something along the lines of, "Hello team, while trying to file my state return, the app tells me it's not currently supported." That's a bit confusing since I was able to file my federal return through Cash App taxes without any issues. Is there a specific reason why state filing might not be available yet? For reference, I live in California and wanted to submit my state return for tax year 2023. Maybe there's a timeline for when Cash App taxes will allow state filing for my state, or perhaps there's another way to submit my state return electronically using Cash App. Any assistance you can provide would be greatly appreciated. Hopefully, the Cash App customer representative will help you fix Cash App if it isn't letting you file your state taxes. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on this heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.